Okay, here is a short video on how to set up two-step verification for your Google account or multi-factor authentication. Google is going to be requiring this. They're going to force it system-wide, and it's available for anyone at Bay Power Solutions to set up today. I would like for everybody to just move into that two-factor authentication space for logging on to Google Workspace before it becomes forced. It's very simple to do. Well, once you'll see I'm just on a Google page, but you'll see that I'm logged in to my account. My screen's going to look different because I have a dark theme. It shows up better on video, but the elements will all be the same. So just click on the upper right hand corner, then you see manage your Google account, right? You can see that I'm signed into I'm not signed into my personal account. I'm signed into my Bay Power Solutions account. You can see that up at the top. And then manage your Google account. In you go. Then you just go to security. Now mine is it's happy the way I've set it up. I've got a nice green check box. Yours will probably look different because you don't have two-factor and etc. So just scroll down here to where it says how you sign into Google, and you may see under two-step verification. If you click on that, you may see something like this. You may see turn on two-step verification. You will want to do that. Um, so once two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, then your second step would be to set up a second factor. I do not recommend the passkeys and security keys. I do not recommend the Google prompt for a bunch of reasons. I like the authenticator, the phone number. The phone number is what I'm going to suggest you set up, where you simply go to log in and Google will send you a text of 6 digits, and then you hand that back to the login prompt, and there's the second factor, and in you go. Very simple to set up the phone number. You just come in, add backup or add a second verification phone. Mine's already set up and verified. But when you set it up, you got to type in a phone, and then it's going to send you a text, and then you feed that back to the prompt, and therefore it's verified. You can't see me doing air quotes. But so there's a little process. You want it basically to end up like this with your phone number and that it's verified. And then at that point, you have two-factor authentication set up. It's enabled, and it's and there is a method called your phone number. So I recommend doing that as soon as possible. Get used to using that. If you like using authenticator apps, if you set this up, it's going to tell you to use Google Authenticator on every prompt. You don't have to. You can use any application, but I only recommend that you use the Microsoft Authenticator app. It's the best all around, the most flexible, and if we're going to standardize on one, I recommend we standardize on the Microsoft Authenticator. If you have an Android, you go to the Play Store. If you have an iPhone, the App Store on your phone, and search Microsoft Authenticator, you'll see all kinds of two-factor authentication applications. Just make sure that you're getting the the Microsoft Authenticator. It either looks like a white background with this blue lock and a light blue humanoid in there, or a blue background with a white lock and a little blue human-like figure in there. But once you download Microsoft Authenticator, and then if you click on the Authenticator, you just basically adding an app in there, and then it'll walk through the process. You'll be able to set it up, and then like in my case, I can use the authenticator, or I can use my phone. I can use my text. I can use my authenticator app. I can use my backup codes, etc. Anyway, this video is just for people who prefer to have a little walkthrough video. It's really pretty simple. to step through, but you have to kind of pay attention and step through in order. Okay, tried to keep it under 5 minutes. I failed. Thank you.